Hello, my name is Julius, and thank you for watching episode 42 of Applicable Applications. In today's episode, I want to talk to you guys about an amazing window management tool for Mac OS. Now, there are lots of window management tools out there, like Loop, Rectangle, Wins, just to name a few, and all of them are great. Some free, some are paid. But this app right here, I believe, takes the cake and truly deserves to have the title of the best window management tool for macOS. This app is called 1Piece, and no, not the anime. 1Piece is a window management tool for macOS, as previously stated. But what sets it apart from others is the extensive list of features that it provides you. So, if anybody knows, on macOS, you don't have the best window management features. The most you can do is just put one browser or one app on the left, right, and maximize it. That's it. Windows, on the other hand, it gives you the ability to not only do left and right, but you can split the left side and top and bottom. You can customize it. It has different pre-made templates for you to choose from of how you want to organize your windows. And sadly, macOS doesn't have that yet. But 1Piece solves that problem for you, because not only does it give you all those features like the ability to send it fully to the left, fully to the right, top left, bottom left, but it also has the ability to format them in different features. So, for example, you can have, instead of having your application window fully maximized on your screen, there is an option for you to have it just maybe on the middle third, and a lots more. So when you open up 1Piece, you'll be met with their preferences page, and that's where you'll set up 1Piece. First, it'll have you select different shortcuts that you want. Now, the default shortcut to switch to a different application, you can also change that. But let me go first on the window management. So for window management, you can set up different hotkeys on how you want them to move to different edges of your screen, or you can use your mouse. 1Piece allows you to use your mouse and move it to different corners of your screen, or use the menu bar to be able to move your windows. One feature that I've tried out and that I really like is you have the ability to take your mouse and scroll up on the very top of an application to maximize it. You can scroll down on the very top of an application to resize it down to the smallest it can be. Or you can grab the application on the top and then scroll up, and then you can have it do something like maximize your screen but leave a little bit of the edges out, or put it in the middle third of your screen, and then you can pick it up and scroll down, and then it'll give you all the different ways you can resize your application window, even presets that you can set up. So if you have a certain preset, a certain way you like having your windows open, let's say you're a coder or a content creator and you have certain tabs open a certain way, you can save those presets that, when you open up 1Piece or open up that app, you can have it go to that specific preset size, which is a nice feature. Now, as I mentioned before, not only do you have the ability to resize your windows how you want them, but you can also switch tabs as well. Now, for macOS, you just press Command Tab and you'll be able to switch to different applications. Now, while you do have this feature, it is very limited. It only switches to the tabs you have open. So if you have any minimized tabs, it won't show. But another thing is, if you have two of the same tabs open, let's say I have two Safari browsers, one is on YouTube and one has my Gmail open. If I switch to Safari, it'll only open the most recently accessed browser. So let's say I was on YouTube. Most recently, I switched to, let's say, Discord, and then I want to go to that Gmail. If I do Command Tab, it won't take me to that. It'll take me back to YouTube. Now, where 1Piece comes in is 1Piece allows you to not only access your all your tabs, but your minimized ones as well. So you can set it up to where when you press Command Tab, 1Piece opens its own window management tool instead, and the user interface is very nice and very clean. And what separates this is that not only does it have the icons and the names of the different browsers you have open, but when you hover your mouse over it, you can see which page you're going to be opening. So it's like, oh, this is my YouTube page. Oh, this is my Gmail page. So you know which one you're going to be opening. And it also has different sections for if you have multiple monitors and multiple desktops. You can see all of the applications you have open between all your desktops, which is a nice feature. And if you use the window management tool that is built into macOS, you know that once you lift your finger off Command Tab, it switches you to whatever that tab is. Whereas 1Piece, if you press Command Tab, it just opens up the window, all the windows you have open, and then you can use your mouse or your keyboard to select which one you have open or you want to have open, instead of having to press Tab, 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 and then let go of everything, which makes it a little bit easier to use. Another feature of 1Piece is that it has the ability to use hot corners. Now, on a macOS, hot corners is when you put your mouse on the four edges of your screen, and then it does a different function. For example, I can set up the hot corners for the top right of my screen. If I send my mouse there, it can move all my apps and show me my desktop, or it can put my Mac to sleep. Now, what 1Piece does is it takes advantage of that, and you don't even need to disable your own hotkeys. You just need to make sure you don't have any conflicting ones. So let me go back to that example. Let's say for 1Piece, the top right corner, I can have that. It'll bring out a list of all the windows I have open on the specific desktop that I'm at. So let's say I have two screens. If I put it at the top right corner of the monitor to my right, it'll show me all the windows I have there. And then I can have the left side of my corner. If I don't want to press Command Tab to bring up that all the windows I have open, I can send my mouse to the left of the screen, and it'll bring up all the windows I have open, which is really nice. You can also use the menu bar as well on your Mac device. You can double click it, and it'll show all the windows that you have as well. It'll bring up Launchpad, show you everything that you have open on your macOS device. Or you can do this cool feature where you left click on the menu bar and hold it, then you right click, and what it'll do is it'll circle through all the windows you have open. So let's say you have a lot of things overlaying each other on top of each other. You can just hold left click and then press right click on your menu bar, and it'll kind of just go through all of them, so it can help you find it if you don't want to have to go through the trouble of opening and then searching through windows, which is a really nice feature and a really cool one, as a matter of fact. And 1Piece comes with a lot of more customizable features. It's very customizable. In the preferences, you can set up the size you want it to be, the theme, how big the icons you want them to be, how large should they be scaled to. So you have the freedom to set it up and choose how you want it to be. And it truly takes the title of the best window management tool for macOS. And not to mention, it's completely free. So you don't have to worry about any free and pro version or any features being missing or any 7-day trial. You don't have to worry about that because it's completely free for you to use. I will say as of this moment, there are two versions. It has a 4.1 and a 3.0 version. If you're running the latest version of macOS, which I believe is macOS 13, you'll only be able to use version 4.1, whereas if you're running at least macOS version 10, you'll be able to use 3 and 4.1 for anybody who's just curious about downloading and which one you want to use. Thank you guys so much for watching episode 42 of Applicable Applications. My name is Julius. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you can stay updated for more apps that come out or apps that you guys want me to review. And I will talk to you guys next time.